By the time you finish watching this video, you will learn and master the nomenclature of the ester, amine, amines, and esters. So let's get into it. So we're going to start with what? With ether. Therefore, what is the functional group of ether? Ether is what? Is this. Then oxygen connected to what? Two group or two same group or different group, right? So if you look at this ether here, you have our here and what our here. It's okay. Now you can name ether in terms of what? Alkoxy or ether. So I'm going to show you how to name the two of them. Just pay close attention. So if for example here I have CH3O CH3. This is what is an ether. Just and this is what is an ether. Why? Because oxygen is connected to what? Two methyl group. This that. So how do you name it? It's very easy. So here we have methyl, here we have methyl, right? So you can say methyl. Here you can say what? Methyl. You talk about ether. It's okay. So it'll be dimethyl ether, dimethyl ether. This that as easy as that. If I have like this, CH3, CH2O, CH2, CH3. Now, what is the name of this guy here? Here we have ether, right? So going to be diethyl ether. It's okay. Now, so this is what is the common name, or you want to name it of ether. Do you understand? Now, if for example here I have CH3, CH2, CH2O, CH2, CH3. So what would be the name of this guy here? Here we have the whole of this one is what? Is propyl. Just and the other one we call what? Propyl. And the whole of this one is called is what? Is an ethyl. It's okay. So what would that be the name? So E will come before P in alphabetical order, right? So if you arrange it alphabetically, E will come before P. So it's going to be ethyl, propyl, ether. So it will be ethyl, propyl, ether. As easy as that. So if you want to name it like this, you just want to know the two what alkyl group. Arrange them alphabetically. They just put ether at the end. If for example you have CH3, 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 here we have O, here we have this guy here. CH3, and CH3. It's okay. So what be the name of this guy here? This compound. Now, here it's called isopropyl. It's okay. Here we have isopropyl. And here we have tertbutyl. The other option is called tertbutyl. It's okay. Now that the two alkyl are then attached to this oxygen here. So what would that be the name? I will come forward T in alphabetical order. Do you understand? I will come before T in alphabetical order. So it's going to be isopropyl tertbutyl ether. So it's going to be isopropyl tertbutyl ether. That is it. Isopropyl tertbutyl what? Ether. That is what name. No, this is what you are naming it instead of what ether. Because of naming it instead of what? Alkoxy group. Right? We have what called alkoxy group. That is over here attached to oxygen. It's called the alkoxy group. Just it's called the alkoxy group. So there can be any what alkyl group. If for example you have CH3 oxygen here. This called what? Methoxy. It's called methoxy. Do you understand? Methoxy group here. That is one carbon atom attached to the oxygen group. That is me. Remember, met means what? One carbon atom. Do you understand? Then this oxygen here means what? The oxygen. So it's called methoxy. For example, here we have CH3, CH2O. This is called ethoxy group. Ethoxy what? Group. Do you understand? It's called ethoxy group. For example, here we have CH3, CH2, CH2O. Yes, called propoxy group. just like propulsive group, as easy as that. So depending on the number of carbon atoms that have OH, it's called alkoxy. It's called alkoxy, derived from what, from the what, alkyl family. So if I ask you like this, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2O, yes, called butoxy, just and butoxy. So now this, anytime oxygen is attached to alkyl, is now what, alkoxy group. Now if you now have something like this, way you are now going to name it of alkanes. For example, here we have CH3, CH2, 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 here we have O, CH2, CH2, right? Now normally, if you want to name it of what, if you want to name it of ether, right? You want to name it of ether, it's very easy. Yes, yes, what is ethyl, right? Yes, called what, butyl, right? And here is what, ether, right? So going to be butyl, ether, ether, because alphabetically, right? So going to be butyl, ether, ether. So going to be butyl, ethyl, ether, right? Now, what I don't name it of ether, I want to name it in the other aspects, like want to name it in of alkoxy group like this. So I got to do that here. So this is what I want to explain to you. Now, therefore, you have to take the longest chain. Just you have to take the what, longest chain. Now, if you have two different chains here, you have this chain and this chain, right? So of course, this will have two. Right? I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Just now, because this will have 4, this is going to be the parent chain, because it's having 4. Now, why do all of this now become a substituent? It's just like when you have something like this: CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2. Here we have BRO. It's okay. This one just like this one here. Just that this one now is not a substituent called what? Etoxy. So this one is called etoxy. Etoxy. This is that. Now, why is it called what? A bromo group. Bromo. What, a bromo group? Can you see that? As easy as that. So now, remember, if you check very well, you're going to do what? Butane 1, 2, 3, 4. Butane. BRO, which is called bromo, is attached to what? Carbon 1. So the name of this guy is going to be 1 bromo butane. 1 bromo what? Butane. We have 1 bromo what? Butane. Now, why is it 1 bromo butane? Because BRO is attached to carbon what? 1. So that's why it's called 1 bromo butane. Now, this guy here is now what? A substituent. So that's why I call etoxy. So because it is carbon number what? 1. So here now going to be what? 1 etoxy butane. 1 what? Etoxy what? Butane. That is it. This is that. So he said that when you now have the ethyl group here, now you can name it of ethyl or alkoxy group. Just now let's take another example here. How do you name this compound here? It's okay. So now let's name this compound here. Now remember, here is called a bromo group. A bromo. And here we have what? Metoxy. It's okay. Here we have what? Metoxy. Now this is under what? Nomenclature of the alkane. So if you have not mastered the nomenclature of the alkane, please check the first part of this video. We are talking about nomenclature of the organic compound, part 1. We are talking about nomenclature of the alkanes, alkynes, carbonic acids, and alcohol. So we did about 5 different functional groups in that video. Please kindly check out that video because it's going to help you a lot. It's on this YouTube channel here. Please check out that video. Just so if you have mastered the nomenclature of the alkane, you find that your number is going to start from this point here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's okay. So here we have bromo and metoxy. Bromo will come before metoxy because metoxy is now going to be a substituent. Just like the job will go, so it's not like a substituent. So it's going to be what? 3 bromo. 2 of bromo. They are what? 2 what? Metoxy. 2 metoxy. They what? Now what the parent name? How many carbon atoms do you have? The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is what? Pentane. It's okay, as easy as that. It's not difficult. So now let me give you one for the try. If for example here we have this one, go ahead, drop the name of this compound for me. I want to see how you can name this compound. So let me give you an hint. Yes, called metals, here we call it here we have what bromo. So go ahead and name this one for me. It's very important. So let's talk about the nomenclature of the what amine. So the amine have a general formula which is RNH2. Please pay close attention here. So now this arrow here is called the alkyl group. Is what? The general formula of the alkyl group is what? Is CnH2n plus 1 NH2. So this is what you need to understand here. Now this CnH2n plus 1 is what? Is this arrow here, right? So now there are two different ways you can what name the amine group. Just that there are two different ways you can what name. You can name it as what? As the main amine or acanamide or acanamine. So which I'm going to explain to you. So please pay close attention here. Now, if for example here, I remember this arrow can either be a methyl, ethyl, propyl, and the rest. For example, here we have CH3 NH2. It's okay. They're going to be what? Methylamine. Now let me show you one here. Now we have three types of amine. What we call the primary amine, secondary amine, and what tertiary what amine. Very important. So before we start the geometry what name proper, let's look at what type of amine. We have three types of amine. So remember, you have amine is derived from ammonia. This is called ammonia. Ammonia is okay. It's derived from ammonia. So now when you replace one of the hydrogen with any alkyl group, so let's say you have nitrogen, you play what with any this alkyl group here. Now, because this nitrogen is carrying only one alkyl group, this is called primary what amine. Primary what amine. It's called primary what amine. Very important. Now, if it's now two, it's okay. So if this nitrogen is carrying what two alkyl groups, this is going to be what secondary what amine. That is it. It's okay. Now then if it's not carrying three, so you have this one here. N R here, R here, R here. So called tertiary amine. Tertiary what amine, right? So you have to identify the three types of amine: primary amine, secondary amine, or tertiary amine. So also have derived from ammonium. So you remove this ammonia here. So if you check on here, this nitrogen is having what two hydrogen and one methyl group. So this guy is called primary what amine. This one is called primary amine. This is that primary what amine. Now let's continue here. Now, if I have something like this, here we have CH3, CH2, here we have NH2, right? You're going to be ethyl amine. It's okay, ethyl amine. So now let me drop one for you so you read our comment section. What about this one here? CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2. What is the name of this guy here? What is the name of this compound? What is the name of this compound? Name of this compound here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be butylamine. Butylamine. As easy as that, butyl what amine, right? So it's going to be what butyl what amine. Now CH3 and CH2 CH3 hydrogen. What will be the name? Now I'm telling you what the common name now. So we are still going to move to what to the high part name. So pay attention here. Now you're going to be ethyl methyl amine. Just because we have ethyl methyl, so it's going to be ethyl methyl amine. As easy as that. Ethyl methyl amine. As easy as that. So this one is called secondary amine. Secondary what? Amine. So what about this one here? We found something like this: CH3 and CH3. What be the name of this one here? What be the name? What do you think is the name? Leave it at the comment section. What do you think is the name? Pause it down and please at the comment section. What do you think is the name? Right? So if you check very well, here we have methyl and methyl. So because we have two methyl, they are going to add it to attach to nitrogen here. So it's going to be dimethyl. This is actually going to be dimethyl. Methyl what amine. That is as easy as this. It's not difficult. So what about if I have something like this? CH3, CH2, CH2, nitrogen, CH3. Here we have hydrogen. What being also here? You drop it at the comment section. So leave it at the comment section. The name of this guy here. What be the name? Now, if for example here and I have, remember also that was secondary amine. Do you understand that was secondary amine? What about if now something like this? CH2, 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 CH3. So what be the name of this one here? What be the name of this guy here? Now here we have butyl. Butyl is okay. Here we have what? Ethyl. Here we have what? Methyl. Do you understand? So it will be butyl, ethyl, methyl, amine. As easy as that. So it will be butyl. Butyl. Why? Because it conflicts in our alphabetical order. Here we have what? Ethyl. Then what? Methyl, amine. Do you understand? And it's a tertiary amine. It's a tertiary amine because they can give you an example. Which of these is a primary amine, tertiary amine, or secondary amine? You have to identify them in your exam because so that they normally ask that question. Just now, this is what we are naming under what amine. Now, let's name it in terms of what the IPAC nomenclature. Now, the real IPAC what nomenclature. Let me say this here. If you know that you have not mastered the nomenclature of the arcane, please check out my first video where I did nomenclature of the organic compound part 1. That is where I explain nomenclature of the alkanes, alkynes, carboxylic acid, and what alcohol. Please check out that video. That video is very, very important and very, very comprehensive. Now, it will build your foundation when it comes to the nomenclature of the organic compound. There are some things I cannot say here in this video because I've already explained those things before. So please check out those videos. It's very, very important. So now, amine is derived from the corresponding arcane. If you share the nomenclature, once you master the nomenclature of the arcane, then every other thing becomes easy for you. Do you understand? So amine is derived from what? From alkanes. So when we look at alkanes, this is called alkanes. Right there. Now when we remove the E and replace what with amine. So when we remove this E here, naturally what? Amine. It's called alkanamine. Do you understand? It's called what? Alkanamine. Do you understand? So that is this one here. So that is one here. So this one is called alkanamine. Alkanamine. That is me. Now, another thing I want to take note here is that the position of the nitrogen must have the lowest possible number. The position of the nitrogen must have the lowest possible number. So which I'm going to explain to you. Just pay close attention here. So here I have CH3, CH2, 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 here we have what? NH2. You understand? Now, although you can also name it as what? Butylamine, right? But we don't want to use that here. Now, I want to use alkanamine to name it. Do you understand? I want to use alkanamine to name it. So, now, this guy is account number what? 1. Do you understand? This guy is account number 1. So, the functional group, which is what is account number 1. So, that's why you are going to start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you see that? So the name is normally butanamine. Butanamine. Do you see that? Butanamine. That is what? That is the name. Do you understand? So the E is removed and replaced with amine. That is it. But what the position of the nitrogen? The position of the nitrogen is account number 1. So it's going to be 1 butanamine or one amine. That is what is name. Do you understand? One butanamine or buta one amine, as easy as that. That is the amine group is our carbon number one, and you got 4 carbon atoms. That is me. Do you understand? So you should now have something like this. Probably you have this one here. Here we have what B what arrow here, and here we have probably here we have what CH3 here. It's okay. Now before we name it here, please go ahead and do this one for me. CH3, CH2, 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 CH2. Here we have NH2. Go ahead. What is the name of this guy here? Go ahead and what name it. What is the name of this one here? Please leave it at the comment section. But then let's name this one here. Remember, NH2 is a carbon what number one, right? So I can start my number from here. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So the parent, therefore, you have to figure out your parent's name. So before you can start naming any compound here, you must figure out what the parent's name is. Very important. So the parent name of this one is called 1-butanamine. It's okay. 1-butanamine. That was the parent name. Why? Because 4 carbon atoms, amines are carbon number 1. So that way we have 1-butanamine. Or you can say butanamine, right? That is it. Now, so here was my carbon 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if you check very well, in alphabetical order, B will come forward M, right? So it's going to be 2 bromo. Here we have what 3 methyl. Here we have butanamine. That is it. That is as this. So what is this one here? Now this guy got to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 pentamine. Do you understand? 1 pentamine, or you can say pentamine. You can say what pentamine, that is it. Now, what about if this N is not a carbon 1? Probably is going to be, probably let's just say is at this point. Here we have what CH3. Here we have CH2, CH3. Here we now have NH2. It's okay. So please pay close attention here. What will be the name of this guy here? What be the name of this one here? Now remember, this one must have the lowest possible number. Sure, it must have what lowest possible number. So yeah, if I start from here 1, 2, 3, 4. If I start from here 1, 2, 3, right? So you're going to be carbon 3. Remember, the carbon atom carry what the amine group was about lowest possible number. Do you understand? So there's my number going to start from here. How many carbon atoms do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexa. So it's going to be hexa 3 amine. Do you understand? So it's going to be hexa 3 what amine. Now let me explain it again. Why is it like this? Why is it like this? Because it's 6 carbon atoms. Amine is account number what 3. Why is this guy the amine is account number what 3? Why? Because if I start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, carbon number 4, but when I start from here 1, 2, 3, carbon number 3. Do you understand now? So you must have the lowest possible number. You must have what lowest possible number. So that we have hexa 3 amine. Hexa 3 what amine. Do you understand? As easy as that. So now, since you have already understood the fundamental, if I should give you this stuff here, now if you should name stuff here like this, here we have CH3, C, here we have NH2, H, here we have CH3, CH3, here we have CH, C, Cl, here we have Br, here we have CH2, and what? CH3. So how do we name this compound? How do we name this compound here? So how do we name this structure? Do you understand? Now, since you see NH2 here, so it's going to be what? Akanamine, right? How many carbon atoms do you have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. All these ones are substituents. Are what? Are substituents. So the functional group is what? Is amine. That is, you must know in such a way that the NH2 must have the lowest possible number. That is meaning. So that is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Right? So that what is the parent name? The parent name is what? Hepta-2-amine. Do you understand? Why? Why is it hepta? Because it's 7 carbon. So it's going to be hepta. Is okay. 2 what? Amine. This is that hepta-2 what? Amine. This is that. So this is what the parent what name. This is what is the parent name. Now, if you check very well, you have methyl and methyl. You have chlorine. You have what? Bromo. Just so you have to arrange substituent alphabetically. So you have to arrange substituent alphabetically. B will come before C before M. So it will be 5 bromo, 5 what? Bromo, 5 bromo. Then you have what? 5 what? Chloro. Just on. So now methyl is a kind of 3. So it's going to be 3,3-dimethyl. So it's going to be 3,3-dimethyl. So 3,3-dimethyl hepta-2-amine. 5 bromo, 5 chloro, 3,3-dimethyl hepta-2 what? Amine. So this is name of this compound here. This is as that. Now, what about if I now have some nitrogen here? If nitrogen is carrying a methyl group or an alkyl group, you get. So for example, you have this one here, CH3, CH. Here we now have what? C. Here we now have what? Nitrogen, CH3, CH3. Here we have CH2, CH, CH2, and what? CH3. CH2, CH3. Now, how do we name this compound here? Please pay close attention here, because I really want you to understand the concept of nomenclature of the amine. It's very, very important to understand this thing. So, how do you name this stuff? Remember, this amine, this nitrogen is carried what? Methyl group, right? Now, so here we have substrate attached to what? To the what? To the end, and here we have a substrate attached to what? To the what? Straight chain. So, therefore, let's get what the parent name. So, how many carbon atoms do we have in the parent chain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. We have 6. Right? Remember, this nitrogen must have the lowest possible number. Of course, then you are going to start from here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Just 5 and 6. Now, the parent name is called hexa-2-amine. Just that is what parent name. Hexa-2-amine. Check it very well. Hexa-2-amine. Right? That is what parent name. Now, here we have a methyl. So here we have what? An ethyl. Here we have what? Methyl. Now, this ethyl is attached to carbon by what? 4. And this 2-methyl is not attached to what? To the chain. It's attached to the end. So how do we name it here? Now, they are substituents, just that they are substituents, but we must arrange substituents alphabetically, irrespective of where it's attached to. Just so this guy, methyl, will come before what? N. In alphabetical order. Ethyl will come before what? Methyl. Just in alphabetical order, because here we have what? Methyl. It's okay. Here we have what? Methyl. So how do you name it here? So we're going to be 4 what? Ethyl. 4 ethyl. Then this 2 is a carbon by what? N. So it would be N-dimethyl. It's okay. N-dimethyl. Now, why is it N? Because 2 of them are attached to this N here. So that's why it's called N. Now, the reason why it's N because it's 2 of them. N-dimethyl. Then hexa-2-amine. 4-ethyl dimethyl hexyl 2 what amine. That is the name of this what compound. As easy as that, right? So now, if I should give you one for you to try, so go ahead and name this one for me. Under the amine, go ahead and name this one for me. What is the name of this compound here? So leave it at the comment section. I want to hear from you. So let's focus on what nomenclature of what of the amines. Now the amine functional group is derived from carboxylic acid. They are what derivative of carboxylic acid. Now remember, carboxylic acid is like this, right? This is called carboxylic acid. This is called carboxylic acid. It's okay. I have done nomenclature of the carboxylic acid in my previous video, so check out that video. You have to name carboxylic acid under what the first video I did. So this is called carboxylic acid. Now we also have what arganic acid. Arganic what acid. Just now, if you should remove this OH here and replace what with NH2, now it's now going to be what amines. Amines. It's okay. So please differentiate between amine and amine. Amine is like this. So this is called amine. This is called amine. So this is called amine. But amine is like this. This is called amines. It's okay. Amines. Now, both of them are derived from the alkanes. Alkanes. It's okay. Both of them are derived from the alkanes. Now, if you remove the E and play with amines, you're going to get what? Alkanamine. Alkanamine. This is that alkanamine. If you remove the A and play with amine, called alkanamine. So you have so instead of putting the E here, you play what? Amines. Alkanamines. Just so you need to differentiate the two of them. Now, one thing about amine here is that the functional group is always like carbon 1. So, for example, you have this stuff here. For example, you have CH3, CH2, CH2, C, NH2. Okay. Now, this guy is always about like carbon 1. So, the position of the functional group is always needed because it's always like carbon 1. Unlike so when you can change position, but it's always like carbon 1. So how many carbon atoms do we have here? Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So it will be butanamide. Do you understand? So it will be normally it's supposed to be butane because it's derived from the corresponding alkane, right? When you remove this one here, the E and play with amines. It's called butanamide. It's called what? Butanamide. So it's only like like carbon 1. If you also have something like this, CH3, CH2, 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 right? CH2, we have this one here. What will be the name of this guy here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's okay. What will be the name? It's called hexanamide. Do you understand? Hexanamide. Hexanamide. This is that hexanamide. So now let's start putting what source strength here. So if for example here there is source strength attached. If for example here we have a source strength. For example here we have CH2, CH. Here we have a B arrow. CH2. Here we have CH2. Here we now it's okay. Now here we have two substituents. Two what substituents. One of the substrate is attached to the parent chain, which is bromo. Now one is not attached to the parent chain, it's attached to the end. Just now, remember here I have my carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is that. Now, at carbon number 4, I have a bromo, but M is attached to nitrogen, right? So how are you going to arrange it? Now, irrespective of where the substrate attached, they must be arranged alphabetically. Do you understand? B, which is called the bromo, will come first before what? M, which is called the methyl. Do you understand? So the parent is what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're going to do what? Pentanamines. Do you understand? Pentanamines. It's called pentanamide. It's called pentanamide. Why? Because it's what 5 carbon chain, right? So here I can number 4. Here we have bromo. So before bromo. Then here we have this meter is attached to N. So going to be N methyl. N what? Methyl. Pentanamide. This is that pentanamide. Pentanamide. That is it. So before bromo N methyl pentanamide. That is it. As easy as that. So what I want to do here is to keep practicing. I want to give you one for you to try. Let me give you one for you. Let me give you the one you have to try and drop at the word comment section. So when you have something like this, CH2, CH2, here we have CBRO. Here we have what? CH2, CH3. Here we have CH. Here we have CH2. So here we have N CH2 CH3. Here we have CH2. So go ahead and name this compound for me. So that is your nomenclature of the amines. Just understand? There is what nomenclature of what of the amines. So let's look at what nomenclature of what of the esters. Yeah. Now esters are also now alkaloids, which I'm going to explain. They have what a functional group of what COOR. COOR. Idea. So here we have our here. This one can be any alkyl group. But understand that they are derived from the carboxylic acid. Now remember, carboxylic acid is like this. Carboxylic acid is like this. It's okay. Now when you remove this hydrogen and replace what with alkyl group, now I what esters. Do you understand? So the functional group of esters that was COOR. Do you understand? And they have a general molecular formula of what? CnH2n plus 1 COOR. So this is our the general molecular formula. CnH2n plus 1 COOR. This one is what alkanate functional, which I want to explain. But I want to differentiate between carboxylic acid and esters. So whenever you see esters, you should recognize it. So now esters are derived from the corresponding alkanes. The nomenclature of esters are derived from the corresponding alkanes. Now remember, alkanes is what? This is the alkane, right? Now when you remove the E and you play what? OAT, it's called alkanoids. Just like it's called what? Alkanoids. It's called alkanoids. Now, if for example you have this stuff here, over here, it's okay. Now, this is the blueprint of the nomenclature. From year to year is what is the alkanoid, which is the main group here. 1 year is the alkyl. So you have what? Alkyl. It's okay. So the name is going to be alkyl alkanoids. Alkyl alkanoids. That is it. Now, so let's start naming it. For example, you have CH3, C. It's okay. Now, this is the alkyl group, and now this guy is called what? It's called ethyl. This is that from year to year is what is the alkanoids, right? And look about how to do it. 1, 2. You're going to do ethanoids. So it's going to be ethanoids. It's okay. So from year to year is ethanoids. Here is the alkyl, right? So this is what is the main group, because it's what I have the functional group. Do you understand? So it's going to be ethyl ethanoids. Ethyl ethanoids. So that is the name. Ethyl ethanoids. Do you understand? So if I have something like this, CH3, CH2, CH2, So what is the name of this compound here? What is the name of this compound here? So here we have what? Ethyl. Here we have what? Methyl. So go ahead and name this for me. Please leave a comment section. Go ahead and what? Name this compound for me. Go ahead and name it for me. Leave it at the comment section. So with this one here, you can also what? Name this one. What about if you now have substrate attached to it? Which you are looking at here. We now have substrate attached to it. We now have a substrate attached to it. Probably now have CH3, CH2C. Here we have what? Br. Here we have what? CH3. Here we have CH2, CH2C. So what would that be the name of this compound here? It's okay. What be the name of this compound? Now remember, here we have the ethyl, right? Here we have what? A bromo. Here we have bromo, and here we have what? Methyl, right? So from here to here, remember here was my carbon 1. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? So it's going to be ethanoids, right? It's going to be ethanoids. It's okay. Now, but here we have bromo, here we have methyl, here we have what? Ethyl, right? We must arrange them alphabetically. Bromo will come first, right there. So bromo is account number what? 4. So irrespective of the position here, you must arrange them alphabetically. So here we're going to be 4 bromo. 4 what? Bromo. It's okay. Now ethyl will come first. So you're going to go ethyl, right? Then account number 4 having ethyl. So you have 4 what? 4 what? Methyl. 4 what? Methyl ethanoids. You see that? So that is the here. 4 bromo, ethyl, 4 methyl ethanoids. So that is what is the name of this compound here. So now what I want to do, I want to change this thing here. So you have what? 2 CH3, and you have probably you have CH2 CH3, and you have what? Cl. So go ahead and name this one for me. So pause the video and drop it at the comment section. I will be responding to all your questions at the comment section. So we have come to the end of this class here, but you still need more practice work problem. Please, if this video is helpful, please leave a comment section that this video is helpful. Right? Kindly share this video to your friends. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please kindly subscribe. Like this video too, so this video can spread to other persons. Thanks for watching. Please, if you know that you don't know how to name nomenclature of you don't know the nomenclature of aldehyde and ketone, there's this video here. Go and check out this video on what nomenclature of aldehyde and ketone. See you in my next video.